Hey guys, and welcome to this mini tutorial. In this one you'll be learning about this texture which you can incorporate into your arts, whether it is resin or any other kind of art, right? So for this one you're going to need water, a school glue or wood glue, you're going to need wood sticks, plaster of Paris, cotton from baby diapers. Yes, it's necessary that you get it from there, and you're going to need a wooden panel, a pencil, and a spray paint. I use this gold color. You can use any other color that you wish to use. And the next step is to draw your design. You can draw it, you can leave it, as long as you know where you're gonna use that texture on. Next step, in a cup you're gonna add cold water. The ratio will vary depending on how large your project is. Then we're adding a few pieces of cotton to let it sit for a few seconds. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of school glue into our mixture. The amount of water will depend on how big your project is, but your plaster will depend on the water, and so always the plaster will be double the amount of water, and maybe just a tiny little bit more due to the addition of the glue. Now we're gonna stir it and add plaster afterwards. Now the reason why we add cotton glue and we're gonna add later on sand is one, to add texture, and two, is to strengthen the bond between the wooden panel and the plaster structure itself. Also, the addition of those three ingredients will make the plaster mixture much more stronger. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit for a little while and then we're gonna mix it. And now I'm adding the sand. It's fine sand. You can add other sizes if you'd like, but this is the size I've chosen for this specific texture. And you can find it in any local art supply store. This one was from Michael's. So this is the overall viscosity we're trying to reach before we leave it to sit in for a little while to thicken up. Now I let it sit for a minute or so, and this is the final viscosity that you'll need to start applying this texture on your panel. So slap it in, slap it really hard so that we don't have any air bubbles in between the texture and the wooden panel. By doing so, you'll avoid any problems down the road, like the splitting of the texture off of your wooden panel. Spread it all over, and you can do any sort of movement that you would wish to do. For me, I use this wooden stick to create this sort of movement. You could absolutely use other materials to create a certain texture or a certain movement. That would be really up to you. And at this point, the structure have dried and it was ready to be sprayed with this gold color. Now you could use any sort of method to paint it in any other color that you wish to use, but for this one, this is what I've chosen to do. And just a side note, I would definitely recommend doing this outside as the spray does have a very strong smell. The final product. I really do hope that you've enjoyed it and you found it beneficial. Afterwards, I'll be just doing resin work on this panel. You can do absolutely whatever that you wish to do, whether you're painting it with acrylics, oils, or doing something different or unique or special. I don't know. I work with resin, and that's what I will be doing. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it.